In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily convert a .heic file to JPEG on a Mac. So you've taken your photograph with your iPhone and you might have left the setting on the HEIC, which is the more efficient mode, but you can't upload that image to a website because it requires a JPEG file. So some websites are like that they require the JPEG, not the HEIC. So I have this photograph here. What we used to do was drag it into this website. So HEIC to JPEG.com is the website, and you'd normally click there and simply drag it in. Now, looking at this website, the file size has changed down to 3.6 megabytes, down from a 4 megabyte file that we had before. So there's the image there. The quicker and easier way to do it is to simply right click on your image, scroll down to quick actions, and we go across to convert image. Click on that. Then you have the option to select your format, whether it's JPEG or PNG. So let's go with JPEG for now. You can keep the file size the same or reduce it slightly to a large, medium, or small, and also preserve the metadata if you wanted to in that image. Then simply click convert to JPEG. And there it is, just like that. We have our JPEG image here. Now the file size has increased ever so slightly to 6.3, whereas the online version actually reduced it by 0.4 to 3.6. Let's go with changing it to a PNG. So same sequence, we scroll down, quick actions, convert image, and let's change it to a PNG. Leave the size as the actual size and convert it. And you can see here the file size is now 29.7. So we're looking at almost 7 times our original size of 4 megabytes and a good 4.5 to 5 times the JPEG file. So it depends on your use case as to what file you want to convert it to, whether it's a JPEG or a PNG. So that's how you quickly and easily convert your HEIC file to JPEG on a Mac.